Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you add your languages in your vivo phone device. Guys, you want to add language in your vivo phone, so as you can add. And guys, now let's see how to add language in your vivo phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So first of all guys, what will you have to do guys? Well, before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys if you're new in my channel, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like the video. So friends, now let's start the video. First of all guys, we will have to guys on our phone setting to add language. Then I scroll it. Guys, click on your phone system setting. Tap here, language and inputs. Languages tap here. Add a language tap here. So which language guys you want to add, like Hindi, English, Punjabi, Marathi, Telugu, Tamil, this type of language. So by example for guys you can see this Nepali, Bharat. So when you will tap, so guys this language will add. And guys you want to add like guys Punjabi language. So as you can see this Punjabi language we have. So guys you want to add Gujarati language. So guys you will have to click on Gujarati language. So this language will add. And guys you want to add guys Urdu language. So guys you can add from here guys this Urdu language. So like that guys you can add language about your country guys. And guys how can you set this language? So you can see guys this two line. So I step here to set it. So you want to set, so you can set from here guys which language guys you want to set. So I hope friends you have understood how to set languages. So one means guys how to add language. And guys you want to remove your languages, so guys you can remove from here guys the three dots guys, tap here to remove it. So guys you can remove from here also. So I hope friends you have understood how to add languages and how to remove languages in our vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on guys next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.